Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. If you remember from the last video, broke the slave cylinder bolts, drag racing, so I'm gonna get up on the hoist, get the box out. Well, pull the box back, re-shim the slave, and hopefully get new bolts in it, and it's not too much effort. So I'm going to unbolt all the shifter crap inside the car, and then we'll come back to you guys when it's time to lift her up and start undoing everything, and we'll just time lapse it all because it is hot. I want to run the fan and you guys can't hear the fan on, but I'll time lapse it quick so you're not watching boring crap, and then as soon as it comes to removing the box we'll cut into live time. So yeah, grab a beer or a bourbon, whatever you drink, enjoy. Back to working on Ecojet footage. We've also actually as well, finally after ages, 150 psi pressure sensor to go into my back pressure sensor. So we can put that in. I'll probably do its own video on that, which will be like a Wednesday video, but which will probably come out before this one anyway. So you guys might have already seen this, or it'll be the one after. Anyway, I'm gonna get sorted what I can, and then we'll come back when it's time. Alright, let's see if I can do this kind of one-handed. So as you can see, no bolts on the slave, but it seems like they just kind of pulled out completely. So we're just gonna get some new bolts, re-shim it, and then we should be good to go in theory. I've just got to pull the box back a bit, drop it down, get this off so that I can get the right size shim in there. So let's go this way. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do all that off camera, get all the nitty gritty stuff sorted, and come back to you guys when we actually have some information. Yeah, so I got a bit ahead of myself, had a tap snap in here, so kind of rushed ahead. So I've got a spacer there, I've got an old oil pump cover as a shim in there. So I'm going to put the box back in, and I've got marks here. So there's dots, blue and green, We should be able to see the 3 dots. We should definitely not be able to see the green, and we should not see the blue. It should be just past the blue. That's how far it's crushed back. So the blue is 10 mil. So there should be about 8 to 9 mil of extra space, and I'll be able to see through this inspection hole here. So I'm gonna get the box up. I won't film because it's a bit of a prick angling this in and around the shifter. So I'm gonna get that done, and then we'll come back once it is all shimmed correct. I won't bother cutting in every time a shim's wrong and I've got to redo it. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys soon. Might have winged it. Let's see if we can get you guys to see what I see. Where's the camera? Over there. Where is it? There's the light there. Oh, it's pretty hard to see. Well, there we go. Kind of. So you can see how you can see just the 3 black lines, you can't see the blue. So it's probably a couple mil more crush than I had before, but that might move the pedal slightly up a bit, which could help with launching as well. I'm not pushing down as far. I've got to get this light off. So I'm pretty happy that that worked. Hopefully these bolts don't snap and stay in there. Yeah, so now I'm literally just going to plug everything in, put the rest of all the bolts into the bell housing. I just got 2 in to snug it up. So let's do that. It'll be good fun. All right, let's crack on. All right, so everything's bolted back up, bolted tight, plugged in, tail shaft all done, center bearing all tight, that's all tight, these are all tight, tighten them, all bell housing bolts tight, plugged in, shifter plugged in, speedo plugged in, beautiful. Pretty sure that's everything. While it's up, I'm just going to change wheels, take the drag slicks off the back, put the street tires back on, because there's no drag event for a while, and at least I can drive this over Christmas if it's not a million degrees. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I might set up the camera facing into the cabin when I redo the shifter and all that crap on that side. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, it's back on the ground. Let's get all of this back in. Try to tuck all this heat shielding in nicely. I don't think I'm going to get it any better than that. I am going to quickly get some, no, I don't think we need the blue Loctite. We should be alright. Alright, I'm going to get this end cap on first with the reverse lever. This is always fun. There we go. Cool. That's about where I want it. That shouldn't be coming loose anytime soon. So let's get this boot around, kind of back in place. Where it needs to be. Just like there. Get all the tools out. Plug the window in, and this bit is never fun. Sneaking this in and around. There we go. That's tucked in. Close to smacking that, but oh well. Keep that there, put the side panel on, put that trim back in, and we're done. Fun. Oh, came up with this shit. Holden can neck themselves. Okay. Now let's go tuck a wire. There we go. There we have it. It might not have been the most interesting video, but I am filming what I'm doing with the car, filming what I'm doing. If it wasn't for this, you guys might not have a video. I have no idea what I'm doing for the rest of the week and next week, but hopefully now slaves all sorted. We don't snap a bolt again. Hopefully I don't get that double release thing with the clutch. I'll find out soon enough. I might film taking it for a drive later, we'll see. Or tomorrow, it's pretty hectic. I gotta shuffle some cars around, so I'm gonna get onto that and then get onto editing this video. So as per usual, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next one.